How to fix incoming call busy problem on iPhone. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix incoming call busy problem on iPhone. So let's dive in. First, you have to go to your settings on your iPhone, and then you have to scroll down to the apps and choose this phone option. And now you have to scroll down until you find this option that says silence unknown callers and click it. And once you do so, it's going to bring you to this page, and now you can see it's turned off. If it's turned on in green, you simply have to turn it off by clicking it, and it's going to fix the incoming call busy problem. As you can see, calls from unknown numbers will be silenced and sent to voicemail and displayed on the recent list, but your phone won't ring. So if you want incoming calls will continue to ring from people in your contacts, so you have to just turn this on and then turn it off again, and it's going to fix incoming call busy problem on your iPhone. So that's the process that you can follow to do so. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.